Hello friends, today in the video we are going to build an electronic label using MPU and some LEDs. So if the MPU is lying on a flat surface, the middle LED will be on, and as I tilt the surface, all the LEDs keep on blinking one after the other. So if you want to understand this project, follow me along the video. Now let me quickly give you a brief about the circuit connections. So the anode of all the LEDs are connected to the digital pins of the Arduino numbered from 2 to 8, and ground of LEDs, MPU and Arduino is common. And if we talk about the MPU, the SCL pin is connected to pin number A5 and SDA pin is connected to pin number A4. Because on the Arduino, A4 and A5 pins are the only pins that are used for the I2C communication. And if you want to know what is Whoami register and why does Adafruit testing code fails for this clone version of MPU6050 and how we can connect two MPUs with the same A4 and A5 pins of the Arduino, you can check out this video. Now let's have a look at the program. I am importing wire library which is used to set up the I2C communication between MPU and Arduino. And this MPU6050 lat library gives you the angles which are directly ready to use. So you don't need to calculate them manually and apply complementary filter, Kalman filter, etc. And here I am defining one instance for MPU, and all the LEDs are defined with the digital pins on the Arduino numbered from 2 to 8, and this label state is equal to 0 means the surface on which the MPU is lying is flat. And in the setup function we are initializing the I2C communication using wire.begin, and this 9600 is a baud rate, and all the LEDs are defined with the output mode. Now this MPU.begin does mainly two tasks, although there are several other tasks also, but the main two are: it checks the I2C communication between the MPU and the Arduino, and it checks whether some device is present on the I2C bus or not. Now I2C bus is formed by the combination of SDA and SCL wires. And the second one is it reads the Whoami register to check whether the MPU is a clone version or a genuine version. And it returns the status. So while status is not equal to 0, it means the MPU6050 is not found, and this value will continue to run. And if status is equal to 0, it means MPU6050 is connected and the I2C communication is established. Now in the loop function we are updating the MP using mp.update, and we are tilting the MP about the x-axis. And we are also defining some level states, like if angle x is less than minus 30 degree, it means level state is equal to 1 and the LED 1 will glow. And likewise all the level states are given here for all the LEDs, and we are turning off all the LEDs at first. And also switch cases are given here for turning on the LEDs. So for case number 1, LED 1 will glow, for case number 2, LED 2 will glow, and likewise all the LED will start to glow. And perfect level exists at case number 4. And this is the function for all LED off. Right, there is low signal on all the LEDs. So if you want more such kind of video tutorials in future as well, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt regarding this project, then comment down in the comment section, and I will see you with the new project in another video. Till then, goodbye.